Hey guys, it's getting late, so super quick video just to kind of show you what happened on day 3. Flipping around. Okay, so day 1 focused mostly on doing the framing of this section here. Day number 2 was working on the platform and doing the loft. Day number 3 has been working on these stairs right here, or these steps. And I'm going to zoom in just to kind of show you the level of detail that went into these. And this is absolutely amazing. Looking at these, the craftsmanship, the artistry that goes into everything Joel does. And this is absolutely amazing. He's not here to talk about them right now, but we will put him on camera so he can kind of talk to us about the trig, the math, and the craziness that went into making these steps happen. All right, so underneath the stairs here, we're going to have a little area for storage. Kind of move the totes and everything else that's over there, put them underneath here. And then if we walk into this room, which is actually starting to look like a room, bathroom over here, a little bit more storage over here. And on the other side of these 2x4s that you see here is going to be, or this framing right here is going to be a kitchen, bar kind of area over there. All right. And getting back out here and zooming back out, that is the job. So absolutely amazing. I'm excited. I can't wait to actually see it all completed and see it all done. But I think it's going to be cool when we can actually put a couch up there, put a TV up there, and kind of make it a place to kind of think, watch footage, watch video, watch maybe just hang out. I don't know, but super cool, and that's upcoming. Let's actually go over here real quick. Okay, so yeah, so this will make a little bit more sense now. So you can see this partition, or this wall comes out, and then from here onwards is going to be the kitchen area where this ladder is right now. That's where the kitchen goes. So hopefully that makes a little bit more sense now. All right, just in case somebody is crazy enough to want to attempt to do the stairs, we're going to have Joel on here to tell us exactly how he did it, all the math and everything else that went into it, all right? So I think that's about it for right now. Until then, peace.